Alright, so really simple here. What I'm going to be doing is firing up my torch here, and I'm just going to go ahead and heat up this square bar here, and then I'm just going to come in. I have it like just locked in there with some vice grips, so after heating it up I'll come in with my crescent here, and then I'll just pretty much just bend it. That's pretty much it. And then it will bulge out on the sides from the excess metal, just from being bent, so I'll probably have to come and put it here on the anvil and just flatten it out. So here goes. So now it's just time to hammer it on the anvil here. So what I did was, when I bent it, when I heated it up, I actually came down with like a smaller, well, I bent it more than the degrees that I needed it. So that's pretty much a 90 right now. So I did maybe like a little over 90 when I bent it, and then when I pounded it, it just pretty much just leveled out. So yeah, it's kind of forged, I guess. Again, this is mild steel, so I mean, it's not going to be the toughest, but it will suffice. Now I'll just go ahead and clean this up, grind it, cut it, and I'll be able to weld it onto my collar. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I've cut that piece down, and I went ahead and mounted it on the actual adapter there. So I'm pretty much already set up, ready to TIG weld this. So I've already done the fun stuff like grinding and all that. Maybe I'll clean it up later, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and TIG those two pieces together. Alright, so after welding it all up with the TIG welder, I went ahead and I drilled a hole here, and what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be tapping it with a metric tap here. So I think this is like an M8. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that, put the screw on there, and then we'll go ahead and give this a try. And voila, that's actually a nice fit too. Wow, now we can give this a try. Alright, so I went ahead and I'm finished with my little lathe dog. I didn't clean it up. I'm just gonna probably leave it as is until I get my new set of lathe dogs, but this is pretty much just for the indexer, and because I really need to make a project today. So Here is my 9/16 expanding mandrel, so I'm just going to go ahead and slide this in there. I'm going to go ahead and close my tailstock. I think it's long enough, maybe not. Oh, so close. So I got to adjust that tailstock. Alright, so I adjusted my tailstock. Let's see if this will work now. So I want to make sure I put my back end on center. And same thing with my tailstock. I'll go ahead and slide my lathe dog in there now. Also, what I want to do is I want to lock this piece in place there, so I've got to make sure I tighten this adapter real nice and good on there. It's on there. So, only thing left to do now is to actually tighten up the lathe dog. So I'm thinking about right there is good. And now I just gotta tighten the lathe dog on the adapter here. So there we go. That's pretty much it. So now I can actually insert some type of work in there and actually turn it. Anyways, I want to go ahead and thank you for watching this video, and well, I will see you guys on the next one.